In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn from Hostinger. If you're interested in exploring an avenue for additional income through web hosting, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the steps needed to get started with Hostinger, one of the most popular web hosting platforms out there. Whether you're a newcomer or someone with a bit of experience under your belt, you'll find this tutorial engaging and informative. To begin with, let's talk a little about Hostinger itself. It's a web hosting service known for its affordability and efficiency, making it a fantastic option for people who are just getting started in the world of web hosting. With plans that are easy on the pocket and a user-friendly interface, Hostinger opens up an opportunity for nearly anyone to create websites, which in turn can generate income. First things first, you'll need to open Hostinger. Head over to your computer or your mobile device and open the web browser of your choice. In the address bar, type in Hostinger's website address. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by a neatly structured and intuitive homepage that's easy to navigate. This is where it all begins, as you'll need an account to access all the features that Hostinger offers. Look for the login or sign up button to proceed. If you already have an account, it's simply a matter of logging in with your credentials. But if you're entirely new to Hostinger, you'll need to create a new account. It's a straightforward process where you provide your details, choose a username, and create a password. After successfully setting up or accessing your account, take a quick tour of the control panel. Familiarize yourself with its components, as this will be the hub for managing your hosting activities. A significant way to earn through Hostinger is by capitalizing on its affiliate program. Hostinger's affiliate program lets you earn commissions by referring others to their service. Once you're part of this program, you can promote Hostinger through various channels like your website, social media, or email marketing. When someone signs up through your referral link, you earn a commission. To participate, find the affiliate section on Hostinger's website. Follow the prompts to join the program, and you'll receive your unique affiliate link. Be sure to integrate this link where you'll be able to engage with potential users effectively, ensuring they're prompted to sign up through your link. Additionally, with Hostinger, you have the chance to create and sell websites. If you have the skills to design functional and attractive websites, you could utilize Hostinger's hosting plans to build sites that you can later sell or use for your business ventures. It's a creative side hustle that can prove lucrative over time. And that wraps up our guide on how to earn from Hostinger. Leveraging web hosting is not just about creating websites, it's an opportunity to explore different avenues of income. Thank you for joining me in today's video, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more insightful content, and happy hosting!